What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Project Waking Titan Phase 2 Part 1 has now begun. For those who don't know what Project Waking Titan is, it's an ARG for No Man's Sky that's going on right now. It's blowing up like wildfire, and I could not be more excited. Yes, No Man's Sky, the game that disappointed everybody last year, is pulling something out of their ass, and it's still to this, we don't understand what it's all about yet. But so, for those who don't know, if you enlisted into the project, basically you were enlisted and you typed in your email, so they gave them your email. They would start sending you messages tied from the supposed old gods. Would send you message on your email, and for the next set of instructions for Part 2. And I got it, and inside it gave me this code, and 2 wheels to print out. Right now I have them in a program called GIMP, which is a free Photoshop substitute, which will work just as well. Of course, my rotate tool is being a bitch right now. I don't know why. But what I did is, basically what this is the code that was given to me, and this code corresponds to what I do here. So, for instance, L1L means basically how much you turn and what direction you turn. And that's what these are. As you can see, there are 7 different segments and 7 different letters. So, first place is how I solved it was basically I grabbed my rotate tool. I make sure I select the inner circle, because this is the inner circle is the only thing you turn. At least for mine, it was. It might be different for you. I grab it, and 1L meaning 1 to the left. And so what I do is, after lining them up properly, like as shown, I took it and rotated it 1. I'm trying to be a little bit better than that. Okay, rotate it 1 to the left, please. Yeah, okay. It's. I don't know what's wrong with GIMP right now, but for some reason it feels the need that do glitched out for some reason. I don't know what's going on with GIMP right now, or why it's fucking up, but it is. It's not usually done this. This is unusual. It's never done this. I don't know. Maybe it's the program I'm using. I had to reinstall my recording software because it stopped working. So, okay, I'm just gonna show you the first bit and then show you what I got afterwards, because after this is gonna take too long. But the point is I rotated it 1 to the left, and I'll explain what this is for afterwards. One of these letters corresponds to one of these. So, for instance, 3. There it goes. 3. So now we're back. 3 will be 1L. So A will be 1L, 3 will be 2L, D will be 3R, and so forth. So for this first part of the code, what you do next after rotating it 1 to the left is find the first letter corresponding to this, the first letter or number, and find it on your outer ring. So here's the 3. Then you're supposed to find the number within the inner circle that's below it, and that's the first part of your code. Now, of course, I did the same thing. I turned it another to the right, which would put this over here, and that would mean, and I had to find an A, which would be right here, and if I turned it 1 to the right, it would be this, letter C, and so forth. And I kept doing that, following these instructions in this code, until I got the code 4C7E9C8, in which I imported it into the website, Prod Boot Sector, which is, you'll get a link to it in your email, called Boot Sector. I put it in there. I entered the code, and it took me to this page here. Now, as you can see, this was really very broken up before. As you can see, as I entered my code, a piece of this would start to line. This is mine piece right here that I lined up properly. And as you can see, everyone else is doing the same thing. And we still have some missing people here not entering their codes right yet. But my piece lined it up here, and so we're going to get a full message as everybody does it. I don't know what to do next after that, but I am waiting for more information on what this says. It's starting to come together now, and we'll see what it says, and then I'll get back to you guys on that if I can, depending on the program and how well it runs. But yeah, so for those who don't, GIMP is free. Just go to the GIMP website and download GIMP. It's free for Windows 7, 8, 10, and all sorts of different things, and you can download it for free. It's Photoshop. You can if you don't have a printer, you can print them out and do the same thing there. But yeah, so that's the first part to Waking Titan. I also noticed that the Waking Titan website has changed as well. We got looks like a command prompt here for like old computers and stuff like DOS and stuff. It's a command prompt, and I don't know what to enter yet, but I'll let you guys know, as well as new glyphs, which are below what you can see. Of course, they're down here somewhere. I can't really show you because it's cutting them off. But that's basically what we got. So there we go. That's basically the first step to Awakening Titan. I'll let you guys know if I can possibly record with this glitchy-ass thing what to do next when it comes out. So there you go.